Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So first step, let's create a new background. Right mouse, new and solid. Add the name background and open color. Let's select this black color. Click OK. Again click OK. And look layer. Go to shape layers. Click wrenchel tool and let's make one shape layer like this. Click selection tool and let's change name color 1 and go to window, open a link and click this icon and this icon for move to object center. So select this color 1, let's Ctrl D for duplicate, open here and open contents, wrenchel 1, wrenchel path 1, click this icon for change size and let's change size like this. Let's go to fill and let's select color blue, click OK and let's select this color 1, change name purple and color 2 change blue. Okay, select this purple, let's go to fill, change color like this, click OK and select this blue, let's open here again and change size, let's change 300. Okay, that's good and select this blue, let's move to right. Okay, and let's Ctrl R and hold this area, let's move to right. Okay, this first color and select this blue, let's move to right. Okay, that's good. So let's select this blue, Ctrl D for duplicate, change color name yellow and go to fill. Let's select color blue, click OK and move to right. Okay, nice. So select this yellow, let's Ctrl D and go to fill, change color to red, click OK and let's move to right. Okay, nice. Select this yellow, change color red and let's Ctrl D. This is final color, let's move to right and go to fill. Let's select color white, click OK and change here white and let's move to left. Let's move to left this and Ctrl R. Nice. Let's hide background. Okay. And select these colors. Let's move to center. Okay, and let's right mouse, new and null object. This is for control all these layers. Let's hold Ctrl, double click this palm behind icon for move to anchor point center. And change name controller. And let's click selection tool, move to here and select these colors. Let's link to this controller and let's select this blue. Let's open here and go to some keyframes, make size keyframe and go to here, change this size 0. Let's select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, go to graph editor and let's make smooth graph. Okay, let's select last keyframe, move to right. Nice. So let's select this blue and press U for see only keyframes. Okay, and select this yellow. Let's open here, contents and wrenchel 1, wrenchel path 1. Let's go to here, make size keyframe, go to first second, change 300 to 0, select keyframes, make easies, again go to graph editor, make smooth graph. Let's see. Okay, let's move to right, last keyframe. Okay, let's select this yellow and press U for see only keyframes. Select red, open again contents, wrenchel 1, path 1 and go to here, make size keyframe, go to first second, change 0. Select keyframes, make easies, go to graph editor, make smooth graph. Okay, that's good. Let's press U. Again, see only keyframes. And click this icon for back to keyframes. Finally, select white. Open here, contents, Wrenchel 1, Wrenchel Path 1. Go to here, make size keyframe, go to first second, change 0. Select keyframes, make ease. Go to graph editor, select graph, make someone smooth graph. Okay, so let's press U again, see keyframes. So click this icon, select this purple, and select palm behind. Let's move the anchor point left. Click selection tool and press S. Click this icon and go to here. Make scale keyframe, go to first second, change scale 0. Select keyframes, make ease. Go to graph, make smooth graph. Okay, click this icon and select this blue. Let's move to right and select yellow, move to right, and red, move to right, and white, move to right. Let's see. Okay, let's move to left this. So select this purple. Let's go to here and change scale like this. Okay, let's change scale like this. Okay, and select this keyframe, move to here. Let's see. Nice. Let's move to left this. Okay, nice. Then select this controller. Let's press R, and in this time make rotation keyframe. Go to here and let's change rotation 90. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make ease. Go to graph editor, make smooth graph. Let's see. Okay, back to keyframes. Select last keyframe, move to right, and select keyframes, move to left. Let's see again. Okay, let's move to left. And in this time, let's hold shift, press S, open scale, and click this icon, make scale keyframe. Go to here and let's change scale. And go to first second, hold shift, press P, make new patching keyframe. Go to here and move to left. Let's select these scale keyframes, make ease, go to graph editor. Select this graph, make smooth. Let's see. Okay, select these two patching keyframes, make ease. Go to graph editor and make graph like this. Okay, that's good. Let's back to keyframes and select last keyframes. Move to right. Okay. So in this time, go to here and let's make size keyframe and go to here, change size like this. Let's see. Okay, and make red keyframe and yellow keyframe and blue keyframe and purple keyframe. Go to here, let's change size like this. Let's select this size, Ctrl C, and select this Ctrl V and this Ctrl V, and add here Ctrl D and purple scale. Let's change like this. Okay, let's see. Nice. So in this time, select this last patching keyframe, move to right, and move to right like this. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's move to left, move to down. Okay, let's move to left this. Let's see. Okay, let's see full animation. Nice. So in this time, select these last shape frames, move to right, and select these shape frames, white shape frames, go to graph editor, make graph like this. And this graph, let's see. Okay, that's good. And select these shape frames, red shape frames, go to graph editor. Let's select this graph. Make smooth lines. Okay, back to shape frames and select these shape frames, yellow shape frames, go to graph editor and make graph like this. And this graph. Okay, back to shape frames. Select these shape frames for blue and go to graph editor. Let's make again smooth graph. And finally select scale shape frames, go to graph and make like this. Okay, so select these shape frames, move to right, and this move to right, and this, and let's see. Okay, that's good. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.